Welcome back to another video. A special thank you to Alham and the team at West Coast Ford Lincoln for letting me review the Ford Bronco in today's video. You can get the Bronco in the two-door version like that one, or a four-door like that one. If you want something smaller in the Bronco lineup, there is the Bronco Sport that is very similar to the size of the second generation Ford Escape. The Ford Bronco has that rugged appearance with their LED headlights. LED fog lamps are optional, and Bronco embossed grille badging. I think Raptor lights on this Ford Bronco would look so sick. I think it'll give the Bronco character. LED turn signal indicators are standard on the Ford Bronco Wildtrak. You're going to notice the modular front bumper as well. Here's a closer look at the LED turn signal indicators and Bronco badging. I love how bright they are. Here is the side marker light. Here's the modular front bumper with your 4 parking sensors, 2 tow hooks up front. You can definitely mod or accessorize your Ford modular front bumper on the Bronco with Ford accessories or aftermarket parts. I like how the modular front bumper is customizable with OEM and aftermarket parts. Wildtrak badging, letting you know this is the Wildtrak. The Ford Bronco Wildtrak is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine. This particular Ford Bronco has the Ford Pro Cow engine tune with 355 horsepower with 433 pound-feet of torque. 91 octane or higher fuel is required. These are aftermarket fuel wheels wrapped in Nitto grapplers. The owner that owned this Ford Bronco did a good job with choosing aftermarket rims. The rims complement the look on the Ford Bronco. These are Nitto grapplers. They are mud plus terrain tires. These Nitto grapplers can last up to 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Moving on to the interior. Door storage. Power door locks. Here are where the headlight controls are located and the grab handle above. Overall, a good looking interior. I absolutely love the interior of the Ford Bronco Wildtrak. I really like the two-tone interior that the Ford Bronco had to have with the leather seats. They are manual adjustable driver seats. Steering felt tight and responsive. Pretty good for a Ford Bronco. You can actually get a retrofit to make your steering in the Ford Bronco more sturdier. The infotainment is run by Sync 4. The infotainment system runs very smoothly, just like any other Ford product I reviewed. There's also Ford Pass Connect. There's apps such as Find Mobile Apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Mobile Apps Help. You also have your phone list and sync navigation and driver assist. Here is the Apple CarPlay in the Ford Bronco. Apps such as food and shopping. Here is Apple Maps. You have things such as parking, coffee, restaurants, gas stations. Here is the 360 reverse backup camera. Moving on to the back seat, I have plenty of legroom. Here is the back seat pocket. You have the USB connections down below. There's 2 cup holders, one here and one over here. To get out of the back seat, you simply press the lever and push it forward, and you have plenty of space to get out. I like the rear end styling of the Ford Bronco. I like where the spare tire is located on the tailgate. It gives it a nice overlanding look. It looks so good where the rear tire is located on the tailgate. LED turn signal indicators, Ford, and Bronco badging, letting you know this is the Bronco. Moving on to the trunk. So these are an accessory that you can get off fordparts.ca. These are perfect if you're a person who likes to explore the outdoors and do camping. Bags to store camping gear. The rear tailgate window does open. Plenty of cargo space, as you can see here, to store camping gear. Bronco badging. Bronco badging and tie downs and a subwoofer, 12-volt outlet. For child safety, there are two tethers to fold down rear seats. Simply pull on the strap and push down. This wraps up our car review on the Ford Bronco. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.